Adams Lee here. All right, you know when something happens on social, I'm going to bring it right to you. So 2 days ago, Instagram announced a hack, a new feature that basically makes it so anybody can do a swipe up. That's right, you no longer have to have 10,000 followers to do a swipe up. So what that means is from now on, you can share all your favorite things and have your own swipe up, except for now it's not a swipe up, it's just a link you get to add. So you can share your favorite shampoo, you can share your website for your business, you can share your favorite restaurant, maybe your favorite mascara. Whatever is happening in your world that you're excited about, you now can share with all your friends and followers. Now, I will tell you, this was a big deal. I got ready for you guys. I'm in my third trimester. This little person is coming soon, but I thought this was kind of a big deal and you'd want to know. Let me show you how it works.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is click on Instagram, and top right, you're gonna hit that little plus sign so you can create a story. So go ahead and click on story. And then what you're gonna wanna do is first you're going to select an image that you're going to use for your story. Now I'm gonna talk about my favorite restaurant in El Dorado Hills, which happens to be Milestone. I took a picture ahead of time off their website online, so I put it on here. Now you can move it around the screen wherever you want it to be so you have the perfect image. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some words. So I'm gonna say my favorite restaurant in EDH, right? Which stands for El Dorado Hills. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna place it where I want on the screen. Maybe I wanna make it a little bigger. And then after that, I want to get the link, the new feature, right? The link sticker to be able to send people to the website. So I'm gonna go onto my Google. I'm gonna search for the website, which I've already done it ahead of time. And I like to just click on it to make sure it's correct. Then I'm gonna copy the website, go back into Instagram, go up to the little meme, that little smiley face, click on it, and then see that feature second row down that says link? That's the new link sticker. So I'm simply gonna click on that, and then I can copy and paste the website in, hit done, move it where I want it to go, and it's that simple, you guys. Now I wanna add a little additional notice or attention to it. So I'm gonna go back in, I'm gonna type in click here, and it gives me all kinds of options. And I think, let's see, I like that little pink and white arrow. So I'm gonna bring it down here, place it where I want it to go, move the website link if needed. And I wanna show you what it looks like when you click on it. So next thing, I'm gonna go back into my stories just to check that it worked. I'm gonna click on my new link sticker, and look what happens, visit link. They can click on it and it's perfect. Now they get to see whatever you're going to share.
All right, my people, I hope you got lots of value out of that little share. I can't wait to see all the exciting things coming to your page, the things that matter to you. Because guess what? If they matter to you and people are following you, it's likely it matters to them because people follow you for a reason. Don't get so hung up on how many followers you have and how many friends or people that are seeing what's happening in your world. It's about the quality of the people, not the quantity. All right, I hope you got value out of this. Don't forget to share it with your friends, put it in your stories, and tag me. We'll see you later. I'm gonna go have some fun.